What's up, trader? Welcome back to my channel. It's another new week with new opportunities for us all. So in today's video, we'll be looking at the best indices to trade. This is an important thing that we have to pay attention to, because sometimes when you are trading the wrong pair, you will still be getting frustration from the market, and you might be thinking maybe your strategy is not working or there is something you are not doing right. Yes, the problem may be that it is just you not identifying that you are trading the wrong pair. So I've taken my time to actually work through some of these synthetic pair, and in this video I will be making recommendation on those pairs that I can say that yes, this pair actually respects analysis irrespective of the strategies that you are using. So stay tuned, guys, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when we drop an important content like this, you'll be the first to be notified. All right, so without wasting much time, we dive into the charts and then we'll see the best indices that we should focus on. Stay tuned, guys.
So guys, we are just going to look at some of these pair and their individual characteristics. So I've actually listed them out here. As you can see, I have V75, V100, V10 and V10, V10-1X and V51X. So definitely I am going to actually show you the reason why I am interested in selecting this pair. Okay, so we're going to run a top-down analysis on them so that you can actually see how easy it is, because for you to select a particular pair, you have to understand the structure and how it works. So for V, before diving into the chart properly, you need to also know that some of these pairs are more volatile than others. And among the list you have here, V51S is the most volatile of them all. V75 is also volatile, but depends on the lot size that you use. If you're using the least lot size, it is very stable and you can trade it with any account size of your choice. Okay, so every other pairs here have moderate volatility. So that is just why I actually select this pair. Another thing again is that this pair have a unique market structure, meaning that it is easy to do analysis on this pair. So because as a trader, you don't want any pairs that will complicate your decision making. You need a pair that is pretty easy for you when you look at it, you can tell that, oh, this is a trend of this market. Okay, so that is pretty much about it. So the first one we will be looking at, we'll start with V51S. So this is V51S. As we can see that the structures are looking very easy. Okay, why? You can literally tell that this is a bullish structure. That means that on the daily time frame, V51S is bullish. We have not even done any marking, and I am already seeing that the structure of this market is bullish. How do I know? You see that price came down here to sweep this previous low, right? And then we have a break of structure to the upside, and after which you see that price has been breaking multiple structure to the upward side, creating series of higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher high, and a potential higher low. So what do I want to do? I want to look out for a buy. So let's go to the 4-hour, and you will see that even the daily structure and the 4-hour structure are actually in alignment, and you can say that yes, truly they are in alignment. So that is one thing that I actually love about this pair, even though it is a volatile pair. And once you get your analysis right, you can actually trade this pair successfully. So now that I already saying that the market is bullish, I want to go to 15 minutes to do what? To look out for possible entry region for me. Okay, so if you don't know how to do analysis, or you don't have what they call an edge, there is a link in the description of this video. You can also join us in our Telegram channel, where we drop free signals and other updates. We also host live classes there, so it means you can actually be there and also learn to improve your trading skill. All right, so yeah, this is the 15 minutes, and then I can actually look out for my entry based on what I consider to be an edge. If price come here and I have good reaction, I want to make an entry for a continuation buy. And I also have another POI around here. If you want to know why I am actually marking out this POI, you can feel free to join the Telegram channel. Like I said, the link is in the description of this video. This is how it looks like. These are some of the trade. I think it was last week that we took this trade, and these are people that also joined the Telegram channel. You can see I found about your YouTube. I think I found out about your Telegram when I randomly going through YouTube videos, and the algorithm just brought out your videos. I love how disciplined and careful you are while trading, and he was saying that I made this today from the free signal. I'm so grateful. So we have a couple of people out there that are also making money. This is somebody making withdrawal of about how many dollar. I think he made $300 from the same free signal. Someone else made over $400. So you can also be here and participate in those free signals, because the analysis were a free live class that way you can see. This is the analysis from the live class. So we also host free live class. You can also find your way in there and also participate in the free um trading. So that is pretty much about that. You can see within how many minutes I'm done doing a top-down analysis on V51. So that is how simple it is to analyze this particular pair. There is no need to do complication on that. It is pretty much easy because you understand the structures. Once you understand the structure, what to look out for on the lower time frame should not be a problem for you. So the next pair I want us to look at is the V10. You can see VTEM as well has a very neat structure. See, there is not much of noise here. When the market is trending to the downside, you can literally tell that this is a bearish market. And when the market is trending to the upside, you can literally tell that this is a bearish market. These are the kind of pairs you should be trading. You don't need pairs that are going to confuse you. You don't know whether it's going up or it is going down. You don't know the overall trend. You're just making guess decision in the market. You don't need all of that. Okay. So this is one of the reasons why I love V10. And another thing about this pair is that it is a very stable pair. That means that you can actually trade it with a smaller account as well, in case you don't have reasonable amount. And when you have good capitals, good for you. You have the opportunity to make even more, because when you have simple analysis or simple pairs that does not complicate things for you like this, it is easy for you to actually make your money very, very easy. All right. So you can see on the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? Price has been creating some bullish structures. Yes, you see, market was trending to the downside here. It broke this major structure. This was a previous lower low. It broke this one as well and created this high. And what happened is that we had a pullback, okay, and then price has just broken this level. So there is possibility that market will continue to push up from here, because you can see we have these internal structures here, which is still a bullish structure. Well, this is a substructure, and it's actually showing that market want to continue in that overall trend. Okay, so what do I want to look out for? I have to trade continuation, because when you are trading continuation, your work is much more easier. All right, so what do I want to do? I want to go to the lower time frame to spot my POI. Like I said, marking out my POI is because I already have an edge. If you don't have an edge in the market, you need to learn that. And you can join our Telegram channel so that you can also learn how we trade, how we do our analysis, the free classes that we are having, so that you can learn if you are not experienced enough. But since I believe some of us might have experience, that means that you can actually tell what you are looking out for in a trade. Okay, so I have a supply level here. I also have a supply zone here. So which one am I going to go for? I need to look for the one that has what liquidity, and I can from what I'm seeing here, there is none that actually have liquidity. So I may not be necessarily be interested in taking any trade from this pair. But the take from it is that this pair is easy to do analysis on, because when you check the higher time frame, the structures are very neat, no much of consolidation, and you can actually, you know, make good money when you have pairs that does not consolidate much. Okay, so that is one thing that I love about VTEN 1S. So these characters are actually peculiar to all the remaining pairs. I've mentioned V75, V100 as well. V100 as well, is very, very stable. That is one thing about it. V10 and V101S, they have the same lot size and they have similar characteristics. They are kind of very stable. Yes, the only pair that has a bit of, is just because of its volatility nature, which is still pretty simple, is V51S. The least lot size of this guy is still 0.005, but yet even as at the least lot size, it might still be a bit volatile. But once your analysis is correct, you should not be worried about how volatile it is, because when a pair is volatile, it means that you can easily make good money from it in a short while. So this is pretty much about this. This is not a top-down analysis class. In our next video, we can be looking at how we can do proper top-down analysis. But then this video is just to give a recommendation on the best indices that you can trade. So I believe you enjoyed this video. Please kindly make sure you subscribe to the channel if this is your first time of view my content. And also don't forget to turn on the notification so that when we drop important updates like this, you will be notified. And don't forget to like this video. Like I said, the link to our Telegram channel is in the description of this video. Feel free to join and participate in our free signal. Peace out, guys. See you in our next video.